So if we look at this bobbin case, this bobbin is designed to spin clockwise when it's loaded properly. So our first test is going to be correct bobbin loading. Now I'm going to flip the bobbin around. We're going to see if that has any effect on our stitch. So this is the incorrect direction that is currently spinning. So that's currently incorrect. This bobbin should be spinning clockwise and it's currently spinning counterclockwise. So we'll see if this myth has any effect on our stitch. So there you have it. The bobbin direction doesn't matter nearly as much as people online think. Thanks for watching.